everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make this cute tray just in time for fall. I'm really excited about customizing this cute little wood tray that I picked up. For this project, I'll be using permanent vinyl in black. I'll stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. On a large piece like this, go slowly and watch for any pieces that might lift. I didn't notice that one of the lines came off when I pulled the background off, so I'll just put it back on in a minute. Take a piece of transfer paper a little bit larger than the design and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Here's my tray. I'll just carefully line up the vinyl into position. That looks good. And I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down. Now I can pull off the transfer paper. I didn't add a polyester coating to this tray because I didn't want the color to change at all. So I'll have to use my weeder tool here to help start any letters that don't want to come off the transfer paper. This is the little line that accidentally came off, so I'll just use my ruler to help me line it up and just stick it back down where it's supposed to go. Well, there you go. This looks great and is ready for fall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.